Musician Paul McCartney did not hold back in his criticism of former U.S. President Donald Trump, delivering a sharp three-word remark that fans recently rediscovered. The legendary artist, known for his work with the Beatles and Wings, expressed clear frustration with the politician, refraining from offering any praise. McCartney even wrote a song about Trump, featured on his 2018 album Egypt Station. During discussions about the record that year, he shared his unfavorable views, describing Trump as arrogant, among other criticisms. His opinion of the former president, who recently admitted to not knowing the location of the Congo, was neatly summarized in just 3 words. In his 2021 book, The Lyrics, 1956 to the Present, McCartney explained that his song, despite repeated warnings, was influenced by the dangers of climate change and Trump's apparent disregard for the issue. When discussing the track, McCartney implied that Trump was far from the most intelligent leader the world had seen. The song's lyrics include references to a stubborn captain ignoring warnings and the idea that those who speak the loudest are not always the wisest. In his book, McCartney reflected on the political climate in the U.S. at the time, stating that an overconfident and seemingly unstable leader was in charge. He suggested that while Trump dominated headlines with his bold statements, intelligence was not necessarily his strong suit. McCartney also claimed that Trump dismissed climate change as a fabricated concept and expressed frustration that little action was being taken to address global warming. He further remarked on how quickly public attention shifted from one controversial statement to the next, making it difficult to hold leaders accountable for their words. During an interview with the BBC, McCartney likened the situation to a reckless captain steering a ship toward an iceberg despite warnings. When pressed for clarification, he confirmed that the song referenced Trump, but noted that such leaders were not unique to one country. Early in his political career, Trump had asserted that climate change was a deceptive scheme invented by China. In a 2012 tweet, he famously claimed that global warming was a Chinese ploy to undermine U.S. manufacturing competitiveness. More recently, Trump's administration reportedly dismissed hundreds of scientists involved in a government report on climate change's impact on the U.S. This move suggested that, for the first time in over 2 decades, the U.S. might not produce an official climate assessment. An email sent to contributors of the report informed them that their roles had been terminated, though future opportunities might arise as plans evolved.